wala na yung financial advisor mo, wala na yung agent mo, so wala ka na mapagtanungan. So ano yung mga dapat mong gawin? So first, what you can do, call the company or email the company. You can ask for a financial advisor para mailipat. Usually, they assign you to a new one. Kung sa bangko yan, kung sino yung bagong advisor dun sa bank, kung direct yan sa insurance company, usually dun sa part ng team niya, mapupunta ka dun sa manager niya or one of the agents ng team. So, pwede yan, humingi ka. Pangalawa, what you can do, you can go straight to the company and inquire. No? You can just walk in the bank kung sa banko yan or walk in the customer service or email directly. You can actually survive naman without an advisor, although of course, preferably, meron kang sariling advisor, di ba? Para at least pag may mapagtatanungan ka, talagang masiservisyohan ka. So preferably talaga, yun, kumbaga parang you have a lifetime advisor para na ma-manage niya yung mga financial goals mo kasi definitely hindi ka naman kukuha lang ng isang insurance in your lifetime kung believer ka. Right? And number 3, siguro what you can do, you can be your own financial advisor. You study, you attend seminars, you watch these types of videos, you can read. All right? Because you can be that financial advisor or apply to be part of the team. 'Di ba? You can apply as a financial advisor sa kaibigan mo or you can search online or if you want to be part of our team, just message me. We train competent financial advisors, committed financial advisors, really people who educate their clients well and of course hopefully till death do us part ang commitment talaga, 'di ba? So at least you will learn a lot. You will learn about finances, you will learn about insurance as a whole. In our team, we want to also learn about different types of investments para hindi insurance lang ang alam, hindi VUL lang ang alam, 'di ba? Talagang total package dapat. So if that's something that is applicable to you, message me. Let me know if you're interested. If you're all over the Philippines, we can work it out naman, lalo na kung malapit ka dito sa office namin sa Makati. No, but we can also have provincial team, so just let me know and we can help you.